The Luma Comfort HC12B and HC12W humidifiers are a great way to relieve dry skin, chapped lips, and itchy eyes, as well as cut down on cold and allergy symptoms. Before filling them up, make sure that the units are unplugged and the nozzles have been removed. Then lift the tank out of the base, turn it over, and unscrew the cap. Then fill the base with water. Once the tank is full, replace the cap. Once the cap's secure, place the tank back on the base, making sure that the positioning slots are carefully aligned. You should hear water flowing through the base of the tank. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes for the water to percolate down from the tank into the base before activating the mist. Then, replace the nozzles and turn on the unit. You'll hear a chime indicating that it's on. The Luma Comfort humidifiers all come with a remote control. Activate the unit by pressing the power button here at the bottom. Then raise or lower the mist settings by pressing the plus or minus buttons here at the top. That's the Luma Comfort HC12B and HC12W humidifiers. Use them anywhere in your home where the air is dry and uncomfortable.